Top 5 Toothpaste Squeezer. The best toothpaste squeezer is a handy bathroom accessory designed to efficiently dispense toothpaste from tubes. This innovative device simplifies your daily oral hygiene routine. It features a user-friendly design, allowing you to effortlessly extract every last bit of toothpaste, reducing waste and saving money in the long run. The toothpaste squeezer is compatible with various tube sizes, making it versatile and suitable for the entire family. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting use, and its sleek, compact design adds a touch of convenience to your bathroom counter. Say goodbye to the hassle of manually squeezing toothpaste tubes and embrace the efficiency of the best toothpaste squeezer. Number 5. KABUM Automatic Toothpaste Squeezer. The KABUM toothbrush holders for bathrooms and toothpaste dispenser offer a superb bathroom organization solution. Made from food-grade materials, they ensure hygiene and are easily removable for cleaning. The automatic toothpaste dispenser simplifies your routine, preventing waste. These holders are compatible with toothpaste tubes having an outlet tube diameter of 0.46 to 0.57 inches and a height of 0.31 to 0.63 inches. The toothbrush slot is thoughtfully designed to accommodate ordinary, electric, and children's toothbrushes without feeling crowded. The magnetic levitation cup with an inverted design allows quick drainage, keeping your bathroom clutter-free. Easy to install, these accessories are a valuable addition to any bathroom. Number 4. LOVEINUSA Toothpaste Squeezer. The LOVEINUSA Toothpaste Tube Squeezer Dispenser comes in a 4-pack with random colors, ensuring you get every last drop from your tubes. Made of high-grade ABS, these squeezers are firm, sturdy, and feature a flexible slot for various tube sizes. They are non-toxic, odorless, lightweight, and durable. With a convenient hanging hole, they save space and are easy to use. Beyond toothpaste, these versatile tools can be used for cream tubes, cleansing foam, hair gel, lotions, craft glue, and even small tubes of condiments like tomato paste or garlic paste. These handy gadgets simplify your daily routines while reducing waste and clutter in your home. Number 3. XYKEEY Toothpaste Squeezer Rollers. The XYKEEY set of 2 toothpaste squeezer rollers is a versatile and durable solution for efficient product extraction. Crafted from stainless steel, these heavy-duty tube ringers are designed to accommodate a wide range of tubes, from toothpaste to cosmetics and more. Their ergonomic design ensures ease of use, while the metal toothpaste tube ringer seat holder stand helps you organize your space. These rollers fit all plastic and metal tubes up to 2.5 inches in width, making them a versatile addition to your daily routine. Say goodbye to waste and hello to convenience, as these squeezer rollers ensure you get every last drop of your favorite products. Number 2. WEKITY Automatic Toothpaste Squeezer. The toothbrush holder wall mounted by WEKITY is a game-changer in bathroom organization. This high-quality, upgraded design offers a clutter-free solution with 5 toothbrush slots, 2 automatic toothpaste dispensers, and 4 cups, all in an attractive gray finish. Crafted from durable ABS material, it ensures longevity and features efficient water drainage to maintain cleanliness. Installation is a breeze, instantly enhancing your bathroom's functionality and aesthetics. This multifunctional accessory streamlines your daily routine, ensuring toothbrushes are neatly stored and toothpaste is effortlessly dispensed. With its practical features and sleek design, it's the perfect addition to modern bathrooms, promoting a cleaner, more organized space. Number 1. Showgoca Automatic Toothpaste Squeezer. The Showgoca toothbrush holder wall-mounted is an all-in-one bathroom accessory that combines convenience and organization. This kit includes an automatic toothpaste dispenser and squeezer, a magnetic toothbrush holder, 4 brush slots, 2 cups, and a cosmetic drawer. It's designed for easy installation, making it a perfect addition to any bathroom or vanity. It is constructed from high-quality acrylonitrile butadiene styrene material. It's not only durable but also environmentally friendly, as it's non-toxic and odorless. The toothbrush holder offers excellent high-temperature resistance, ensuring safety and sanitation. With this all-in-one solution, you can streamline your daily dental care routine while maintaining a clean and tidy bathroom environment. Thanks for watching the video. The links of the products we discuss in this video are provided in the video description. Please check out the video description and find the product links to buy your favorite products. If you think the video is helpful, please like, share and comments the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.